Be honest. How many times have you told yourself, I'll quit tomorrow? Tomorrow turns into next week. Next week turns into next year. And before you know it, your life is slipping away. But here's the truth. You can restart your life right now. You can break free from any addiction and take control. It won't be easy, but I promise you, it will be worth it. Let's talk about how to do it. 1. The hard truth. You are being controlled. Let's get real. Addiction isn't just drugs or alcohol. Social media, junk food, gaming, gambling, porn, anything that hijacks your brain's reward system. These things trick your mind into craving cheap dopamine. You feel good in the moment, but it's a trap. They keep you weak, distracted, and stuck in a cycle. First step, admit it. You are being controlled. 2. Dopamine detox. Take back your power. Your brain is addicted to quick highs. To break the cycle, you need a dopamine detox. Cut out all artificial stimulation for a few days. No junk food. No social media. No binge watching. It'll be hard. You'll feel restless. But that's the point. You're resetting your brain to find pleasure in real accomplishments, not cheap distractions. 3. Replace the addiction with a new obsession. Here's the secret. You don't quit an addiction. You replace it. Your brain needs something to chase, so give it a real mission. Fitness, business, self-improvement, whatever makes you better. If you don't fill the void with something meaningful, your mind will crawl back to old habits. 4. Cut out triggers. Escape the trap. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you're surrounded by triggers, friends who smoke, constant notifications, junk food in your kitchen, you will relapse. Remove the temptations. Create an environment where success is the only option. 5. The pain of discipline versus the pain of regret. Right now, you have a choice. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. One is temporary, the other lasts forever. Get your life 5 years from now. Do you want to be stuck in the same habits, or do you want to be the best version of yourself? The decision is yours. This is your restart button. No more waiting, no more excuses. The next 24 hours will define your future. Are you going to stay weak, or will you take control? Drop a comment if you're ready to quit the cycle and level up your life. And if you need more motivation, hit that subscribe button, because we're just getting started.